Power BI Service, Enterprise, Collaboration and Cloud Reporting Platform. Let's understand what is Power BI Service and its key features. Power BI Service is Microsoft cloud-based software as a service SaaS platform that enables organizations to publish, share, collaborate, secure and manage Power BI reports and dashboards. What are its key features? It has features like publish reports, workspaces, semantic models, dashboards, apps, scheduled refresh, data gateway, row level security, lineage view, usage metrics, sharing and collaboration. And what are the business benefits? It has centralized reporting, secure data access, automated refresh, enterprise collaboration, single source of truth, anywhere access. So far we have built our reports in Power BI desktop. Now the question is, how do we share those reports with the rest of the organization? Should we email the PBIX file which we download from Power BI desktop, or should every user install Power BI desktop and access those reports, or should everyone create their own report? So what we need to do now? Obviously, these all things no need to do. There is Power BI service comes into the picture. So the Power BI service is Microsoft cloud platform for Power BI. Think of it as a central hub where the entire organization collaborates around data. Power BI desktop is where we build reports, is where we publish, manage, secure and share them by using Power BI service. Without Power BI service, Power BI would simply be a desktop reporting tool. With Power BI service, it becomes an enterprise analytics platform. Typical workflow. Imagine I build a report in Power BI desktop. After testing it, I click publish. The report is uploaded to Power BI service. From there, business users access it, managers review dashboards, executives monitor KPIs, reports refresh automatically. No one needs the PBIX file. Everyone accesses the latest version. So the publish reports. Let's understand this. Publishing is the first step. Instead of sending reports through email, we publish them to the cloud. Benefits is one report across the organization, one version, centralized management, easy updates. Whenever I modify the report, I simply publish it again. Everyone automatically sees the latest version. And the second feature is about workspaces. Think of workspace as a project folder. Every team can have its own workspace. For example, engineering delivery, finance, HR, sales. Each workspace contains reports, dashboards, semantic models, data flows, apps. So permissions can be assigned at the workspace level. Let's take an example in an organization. We can create an engineering delivery workspace. Inside it, we can store summary dashboard, details dashboard, capacity, utilization of the individuals. Everything related to engineering delivery stays together. And the third feature is semantic models. Earlier we discussed the semantic model. Power BI service stores these models centrally. Multiple reports can use this same semantic model. What are the benefits of it? It has single source of truth, reusable calculations, consistent KPIs. And the next feature is dashboards. A report contains multiple pages. Dashboard provides a single page executive view. Executives don't want to open 10 report pages. They want answers immediately. For instance, an executive dashboard may show health of the project, velocity of the project, utilization, open risks, performance of the team, everything in one place. So the next feature, we have apps. Imagine you have 10 reports. Instead of sending 10 separate links, you package them into one app. Users install one app and access all reports. Apps simplify report distribution. And next feature we have in Power BI service is scheduled refresh. Business data changes every day. Without scheduled refresh, someone would need to manually refresh the reports. So Power BI service automates this process. For instance, every morning at 7 a.m. we need our report to be refreshed, or there is new file coming into the centralized location. We need that file to land into our reports. So we schedule that refresh. So Power BI refreshes data from, we can integrate with Jira, we can integrate with SQL Server, Excel, CSV, whatever source files, because Power BI supports n number of source files. By 8 a.m. leadership is the latest information. When we schedule at 7 a.m., the leadership or the management sees the report at 8 a.m. The next feature comes is data gateway. What if your data isn't in the cloud? Many organizations store data inside their corporate network. Power BI service cannot directly access these systems. An on-premises data gateway securely connects Power BI service to internal data sources. Example, Power BI service requests new data. The gateway securely retrieves it from the organization network. No manual file uploads are required here. And the next feature is role level security, RLS. Not everyone should see all the data. So all the data is not required for everyone. So for instance, a manager for a project A should not see project B reports. Row level security filters the data based on the logged in user. The same report serves different users, but each user sees only the data they are authorized to view. And then next comes the next feature 9, lineage view. Power BI service also includes lineage view. It visually shows data source, semantic model, reports, then comes dashboards, apps. This helps us understand report dependencies and analyze the impact of changes. And the next feature we have is usage metrics. How do we know if reports are actually being used? Power BI service provides usage metrics. We can see the report views, active users, popular dashboards, usage trends. This helps determine whether reports deliver business value. And the next feature we have sharing and collaboration. Instead of emailing reports, users simply receive access. They can open reports in their browser, view dashboards on mobile, comment on reports. They can share insights, collaborate within Microsoft Teams. Everyone works from the same data. So the business benefits here is Power BI service provides significant business value. Centralized reporting across the organization, secure access with role-based permissions, automatic data refresh, real-time collaboration, single source of truth, enterprise governance, mobile accessibility, faster decision making, reduced manual effort. The key takeaway here is Power BI desktop is where reports are developed. Power BI service is where enterprise reporting comes to life. It enables organizations to publish, secure, refresh, govern, and share reports with business users, transforming individual reports into a scalable enterprise analytics platform.